What's going on, guys? Mick here. Now in today's video what I'm going to be doing is fitting my spoiler that I finally got to the car, or for the car, sorry. So I bought this off AliExpress. As usual, links will be down below in the description. Compared to the UK companies, as usual, the price is if half, if that. So yeah, really good product. I've already test fitted it already. It looks amazing. Everything came packaged correctly as well, so it's just perfect. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is obviously I'll show you guys another clip after this one of me yesterday, obviously just showing you the spoiler, and then we're gonna get straight into it. So yeah, let's go. So guys, here's a spoiler. Obviously I've taken it all out of the packaging just to make things easier, but it came in this. But obviously it's wrapped up in this, and then it came in this bag, so it's well secure. In the package you obviously get the spoiler itself, and then you get two of these, so just tape and the alcohol wipe. So we've got that one there, put that there, and then this one here. But now the spoiler is perfectly mint. It's got obviously fingerprints and stuff like that on it because of me. I actually did test fit this in the rain as well, but it's perfect. As you can see, brilliant finish, and I can tell as well by the test fit that the fitment is perfect. So that's just underneath. That's obviously where it will be going. But yeah. I'll show you the edge. Look, it's not overspray paint or anything like that. That focuses. Yeah, proper perfect. £55, you can't go wrong, because there's a lot of idiots that swear by all the English products and English brands. Oh, we get our parts manufactured here, blah blah blah. It's a load of rubbish. They're all from China. But yeah, let's obviously get back into the main video. So for reference, guys, this is how I've taped it off. So some on the edge, some going across, and then some on the other edge as well. I've peeled it all back and ready to obviously get it stuck on. So yeah, let's jump onto that. Make sure as well that you actually clean the area that you're sticking it onto so it doesn't come off. So yeah, let me get this stuck on. So the spoiler's now on. So as you can see, it's looking absolutely brilliant. It just sets the back end apart, doesn't it? It looks beautiful. Especially now that I've got like the M Performance tips. Need to sort out the diffuser for this as well, definitely. Get that ring in black. But yeah, it's looking a lot better from the rear now. Also need to get side skirts, front splitter, but yeah, you'll see everything anyway. But this is looking so much more better. And just the side profile of the car, it was so good. Love it. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll see how the tape holds up as well. If not, then I'll just swap it out for Gorilla Tape, because I'll just use the one that was provided in the box, or if not, Tiger Seal. But yeah, amazing. And I finish on that as well. Really, really good. Just need to give the car a clean now, and then get that coated, or ceramic coated, protect it along with the rest of the car. But yeah, guys, I know it's a short and quick one, but if you did enjoy that, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Hopefully, I'll give you a quick sneak peek. It'll be for this charge pipe, but yeah, we'll see what happens anyway. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one.